Hey there, mga my love. Saji, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So before we start your reading, Sagittarius, reminders muna as na hindi to for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, we do not have here any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Cross-watchers, of course, you can flip roles if you want, yan, no? Since this is general reading right here. At the end of the day, kayo guys, no, ay may free will, so malaya rin kayong gamitin yan anytime, anywhere. So yun nga, no, wala rin tayo ritong time period. At syempre, just take only what resonates. Hi pala sa mga new subscribers, ako po siyan. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po dahil sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So kung hindi niyo pa knows, everyone, no, meron tayong other channel. Ang link po ay nasa description box. Kaya kung interesado rin po kayong tumambay dyan, pwede po, no? And see you there. So, let's go ahead, Saji. Alamin natin rito ang mga mensahe here for you guys. Parang may pagod dyan. Ano? Pagod. Pwede magpahinga, be. Yeah. Okay, huwag kayo masyadong pakapagod. Okay. Pwede kayong umupo, take a break, diba? Inom kayo ng favorite drink ninyo, relax. Okay? Bakit kailangan ng ganon? Para mas ma-recharge kayo rito, no? Na gumalaw at matapos yung mga dapat ninyong gawin. So, ibang may pasok ngayon, no? Even it's weekend. Yan. Yung ibang mga office may pasok, no, ng weekend. Okay. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, together with the angels and spirit guides. Messages for Sagittarius, please. What the Sagittarius needs to know. Mga mensahe para kay Sagittarius. Can you please show me? Sagittarius. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages for you guys. But before that, ilatag muna natin ang lahat ng energy sa ating table first before we start talking about this. But you do have here the World card energy. We also have here for you guys the Five of Cups. The Page of Cups is also present here. The Ace of Wands. The Two of Cups. The Knight of Cups. We've got the Page of Cups and the Knight of Cups. I mean the Knight of Coins energy right here. So this is something here that is long time, long ago. It's something here na posibleng nangyari matagal na, no? But this is something here that's gonna resurface again, no? And I'm gonna tell you later what is that. The full card energies of coins and the Three of Cups. You do have here two aces already. The Ace of Wands and the Ace of coins energy. You also have here the High Priestess, the Sun, and the Judgment. Oh, three major arcanas together with the Page of Swords. Universe wants you to notice something. Be observant and be aware. May sinasabi silang mensahe sa'yo. Okay? And posibleng hindi mo pa to masyadong napapansin ngayon kasi posibleng busy ka pa sa mga bagay na kinakaharap mo or ginagawa mo, no? Yun nakita ko dito. But there's something here that you need to pay attention. I'm gonna tell you later. Okay? I do see na meron ritong energy ng person. Let's talk about this Page of Cups and there's this Knight of Coins energy. But I mentioned almost Knight of Cups, diba? Kanina, no? I'm about to mention that or that is something here na pwedeng nakakonect ninyo way back before. So, could be one of your exes right here or pwedeng hindi naging kayo. But you feel yung parang may heartache no? So, posibleng pinaasa ka niya, Saji, or pwedeng naging kayo talaga, pero ex mo na lang siya ngayon. And this is something here that's gonna resurface once again, okay? I do see that there's someone here will definitely come back around with the Page of Cups energy. This person here is actually daydreaming of a conversation here with you guys, no? So, gusto niya rito magpakatotoo and this person, kung ano man yung sasabihin niya, sincere yon. And this person here is really working hard, no? to this connection right here. So, posibleng kung ex to, makikipagbalikan siya sa'yo rito. At nakita ko dito na parang may sinasabi siya ritong natuto na siya at nagbago. Yung iba naman kung hindi niyo 'to ex, posibleng napaasa niya kayo noon, 'no? So, puwedeng hindi pa siya ready noon, 'no, and then posibleng nag-offer kayo ng love or baliktarin niyo na lang. But I do see there's someone here na, coming back for an apology and wanting to try again. No. So, this person will do everything to work this out ngayon. So, if you're gonna allow this person to come back around, this person will not waste that chance or opportunity to be with you again if this is an ex or to be with you now na ready na siya. Kung hindi pa to ready noon, no? So, this person is now ready for the relationship. Okay, siya naman yung mag-o-offer ng cup of love sa'yo. So, maliban dyan, Sagittarius, nakita rin ako dito mga babes ng energy ng someone na kung kayo man ay connecting na with someone here, like meron na kayong boyfriend, girlfriend, or kayo ay married na, I'm seeing na that person respects you a lot and you respect that person as well. May pantay, may equal dito na love and affection for each other. At ang maganda, sa connection ninyo, open kayo. No? Nakita ko dito na pag may problema siya, sinasabi niya sa'yo, no? So that aware ka doon, no? And syempre para hindi ka rin din masyado mag-alala because he or she is about to tell you that it's okay. He or she got you. Oh, so this is a sweet person by the way, no? And you are also open with this person here. Kaya yung nakikita ko dito na nagpapatibay ng connection mo with your partner is yung pagiging open ninyo with everything, no? Ano man yan, lalo na pagdating sa mga hardships at problema, no? Tulungan, kaya hindi ko kayo nakikita dito naghihiwalay. Matagal kayo magsasama nitong tao na to. Yan, no? So, nakita ko rito naman yung mga problemang pagdaanan ninyo, pagsubok na kaharapin ninyo, hindi kayo mabubuwag na dalawa. At posibleng may planong makipag-date yan sa inyo. So, this is a surprise right here for you, Saji. That person will definitely plan out something that will make your heart skip faster, no? So, I do pick up, no, na pwedeng matagal-tagal na rin kayong hindi nakakapag-sine or hindi nakakapag-date ng kayong dalawa lang, lalo na kung married kayo, no, you already have kids. This person here will take you out on a date. Doesn't matter if it's a dinner date, if it's something here, pasyal kayo, eh, kayong dalawa lang. So, I think this person here will make time, no, na i-date kayo, no? Kahit na parang, alam mo yung parang ang sweet ng dalawa na parang, ano to, mag-asawa na nga tayo, tas ano, parang feeling ko talaga yung time na nililigawan mo pa ako yan, no? This person here is consistent when it comes to his or her emotions and feelings for you. So, I do see na kahit nung nililigawan pa kayo ng mister ninyo or misis nyo na yan ngayon, no? Ganun pa rin, no? Walang nagbabago sa feelings niya sa'yo. Mas tumitindi pa nga. Yan. So, I do see that this person here connecting sa'yo, whether you are already in a relationship or you're already married, this person here likes you a lot, loves you a lot, and whoever this individual is, I think this person here is someone na may pinaplanong surprise date sa inyong dalawa. Yan. And may nakikita ko dito, mga babes, no, na posibleng yung energy dito is meron ditong someone around you, pwedeng friend or family member, no, na posibleng may pinagdadaanan siyang something sensitive or something rito na mahirap i-brought up. So, kung may napapansin ka dito na parang medyo malungkot siya or baka malalim yung iniisip niya na baka friend mo or family member na close kayo or whatever, no, basta malapit sa'yo. Yun, no? Could be anyone. Kung may napapansin ka, no, pwede mo siyang lapitan kasi medyo magulo yung isip niya dito. Kailangan niya talaga ng makakausap, Sagittarius. No? Nakita ko dito na kung sino man tong energy na to. This person needs someone na makaka-rely siya. So, nakikita ko rito na posibleng manotice mo ito na ganyan yung kanya ritong kinikilos. Then, maaaring mag-open up siya sa'yo, no? Lalo na kung mag-reach out ka, no? nakikita ko makatutulong ka sa pinagdadaanan niya. Medyo sensitive siya ngayon and quite emotional. So, posibleng meron siyang kinakaharap itong personal na issues or may problema siya. Parang yung problema niya ang hirap i-share sa iba kahit sa pinaka-close friends niya. So, kung ano man yan, hindi ko naman sinabing pilitin niyo siya, no? Kasi nakikita ko na nakikita niya kayo as someone approachable and reliable. So, posibleng mag-open yan sa'yo, lalo na kung ikaw yung mag initiate no, na willing ka makinig, ready ka to listen sa kanya, no, and gusto mo siya ritong matulungan. Ganun. So, nakikita ko dito na maiibsan ang kanya ritong mga dalahin, no, or kung ano man yung specific yun, eh, no? But this could be anything, no? Just take how this resonates since this is general reading. But I do see na magiging tulong ka sa person na iyan. So, kung sino man yan, pwedeng mas bata ka siya mas bata ka sa kanya or mas bata siya sa iyo. Yan, nakita ko dito. So, whoever this individual is, I think this person here, pakiramdam niya, wala siya ngayon na taong mapagsabihan yan. So, mabigat yung kanyang loob dito. So, nakikita ko rin na mararamdaman mo yung energy niya. That there's something here bothering that person. Okay. So, aside from that, nakita ko rin dito something exciting coming sa inyo, no? Ito yung bago ninyong kakaharapin with the full card energy and 2 aces. May nakikita kong dalawang new beginning sa'yo. So, pwedeng yung isang new beginning is pera mo at yung isa namang new beginning is pagdating naman sa something exciting kasi ang tagal na rin na parang hindi mo naramdaman yung feeling excited ka, yung feeling mo parang ang saya-saya mo na parang gusto mong sumigaw no, sa sobrang saya. No? Parang yung iba sa inyo, long time ago mo na huling naramdaman yun or kayo to na hindi nyo pa yun na-feel. I'm seeing 2 new beginnings, no? Diyan. At nakikita ko, no, na it's a call for celebration because this is something here like a wish fulfillment. I do see yung isa is parang ma-excite kayo because it's gonna bring you a lot of opportunities and you're gonna see it clearly, just like the sun. May sun kasi dun, mga babes, no? Parang breakthrough kasi ito. Ayan. Parang babalik yung inspiration ninyo para mas pagandahin pa yung buhay ninyo, para mas pasiglahin pa at pasayahin pa yung life ninyo. So, nakita ko na yung new beginnings na yun, no, may kinalaman rito sa mga bagay, no, na posibleng hindi mo napansin noon, no? Hindi naman sa na-neglect mo, pero posibleng hindi mo lang napansin yung mga, parang yung mga small things, no, na parang yun yung talagang nagpapasaya ng puso, no? Yung hindi nabibili ng pera or whatever. Yung iba sa inyo siguro may alaga kayong pet. It could be any pet, dog, cat, yan. Hamster, rabbit, ano man yan. O iba baka kayo ay bumili ng bagong pet, no? Pero I think isa sa mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay, may taong darating rito na magiging solid na kaibigan mo. Yan. So, maliban dyan, dumighay lang mga babes. Excuse me. So, maliban dyan, na nakikita ko rin dito na meron ditong mensahe for you si universe. Now, with the judgment card right here, the sun and the high priestess, listen to your intuition daw. Listen to your higher intuition because they're talking to you. They're gonna send you here a lot of messages. You need to make a big decision right here. Okay? So, this is something here na isang buong ikot, 360 degrees turn. Ibig sabihin, universe right here is really changing your life. Okay? So, the universe right here wants you to cooperate with them. Posibleng hindi mo napapansin itong mga signs na to kasi iba yung pinagkakaabalahan mo at iba yung pinagpupukusan mo. Pero if you are seeing a lot of mirroring numbers, repeating numbers, angel numbers, no, at yung mga bagay rito na posibleng madalas mo nakikita, no, you might want to remember those things or look at the meanings of those because the universe is sending you something related sa mga pagbabagong gagawin nila, no? Kasi full pagbabago, full ikot yung gagawin nila sa buhay mo. So, this is something here na great for you guys, no? Kasi kayo to na parang finish contract na kayo, nabayaran nyo na lahat ng mga karmic debt ninyo, no? So, nakita ko dito that the universe is gifting you a new life, no? Yung iba sa inyo siguro, no, pwedeng noon, naranasan niyo sumali sa school sa drums and lyre ba yun, no? Or sa mga cheering squad or parang dun sa mga activities no, sa school. Yan. So, nakikita ko yun here na posibleng kayo yan. Isa yan sa mga experiences ninyo before. So, maaaring na-try nyo na makipag-compete rin no, sa mga quiz bee or sa mga contests, no, ano man yan. Maaaring lagi kayong representative or naging representative kayo ng inyong school or pambato ng inyong school. Yan, no, may nakita tayong ganun. But doesn't have to be na makaka-resonate yung lahat dun sa parte na yun. But here, I do see that there is something here worth celebrating as well. Okay? Meron ako nakikita rito na you will be reunited here with the people na matagal mo nang hindi nakikita. So, posibleng yun yung mga kaklase mo, mga teacher mo, mga dati mong katrabaho or whatever, no? So, nakikita ko rito na mag-e-enjoy ka. So, nakikita ko rito na parang um, magkakaroon dito no ng parang pag-recharge ng energy mo no kung saan after meeting these people right here mas lalo ka pang mai-inspire na mas pagbutihin pa yung ginagawa mo sa life especially kung may kinalaman yan sa money yun yung nakikita ko dito so maliban dyan nakikita ko rin dito Sagittarius no na posibleng bumili kayo ng hindi naman expensive, no? Pero posibleng bumili kayo or bibili kayo kapag nag-sale, no, itong gamit na 'to, no, or 'pag may sale. Hindi ko alam kung online yung bibilhin or sa mall niyo yung bibilhin, pero may bibilhin kayo rito. Hindi naman siya expensive, pero nakikita ko rito na parang gustong-gusto mo 'yan. So, puwedeng damit 'yan, puwedeng, um shoes or whatever, accessories, mga ganyan. So, whatever the case may be, buy it, no? Tsaka nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na posibleng meron din ditong bagay na maging trending or marami yung gagawa. Pero you feel like na parang hindi ka komportable na gawin rin yun. Eh di wag mo gawin, babe. 'Di ba? If you are not comfortable no in doing that, hindi mo kailangan sumabay sa nakararami. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's unique or whatever, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan sundin yun. Okay? If it's something here that puts you in a situation na hindi ka komportable. Example, no? Kunwari, merong bagong TikTok dance. Lahat sinayaw na yun. But it doesn't mean na kailangan mo rin yung sayawin. 'Di ba? You can enjoy watching that, no? Pero hindi naman kailangan na isayaw mo rin yun at ilagay mo sa TikTok. Gumawa ka ng account. 'Di ba? So, if you're not feeling comfortable you doing that, then do not do it. Example lang yung TikTok thing. So, hindi mo kailangan sumabay sa nakararami. Okay? If it is something here na hindi ka komportable, then wag mong gawin. Okay? So, yeah. Ito yung mga mensaheng nakuha ko here for you, Saji. Listen to your intuition base because your life is moving upside down, 360 degrees turn of events is about to happen here for you. But this is something here that you'll surely love. So, muli ako po siyan. Thank you, Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Annyeong!